उसके बाद बर्ड पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी, एंड बर्ड पॉपुलेशन की वजह से आपकी जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द टेरेस्ट्रियल बायोडाइवर्सिटी वो रिस्टोर होनी स्टार्ट। So first is the aquatic life which is returned, and then you see a ripple effect on the avian life. Then the terrestrial fauna and flora is also there. This is another project. So there were 6 different projects. These are एक में हमें बहुत सारी मैना मिली और दूसरे में हमें बहुत सारे egrets मिले. So you cannot invite birds, so they come on their own. And which bird will select which particular water body is a natural selection. आपको हर जगह पे अलग-अलग birds नजर आती हैं, and they come in flocks and flocks together because there is ample amount of fresh water available and their natural feed which is made available. So this was the resultant, as I said, World Wetland Day, 2nd of February 2023. There was a delegation from WWF which had come to study just the impact of biodiversity conservation. It is there on their website only. So this is a snapshot of their website. And this was a report which was published in July 23. जो 10 जुलाई को जो बारिश हुई थी उसके बाद ये न्यूज़पेपर में छपा था कि there is a lot that Delhi can learn from Moradabad in terms of managing the water. So this is a visual depiction of one of the pond which is Manatee. आपने अभी एक वो sewage inlet line देखा था, and this was completely filled with sludge. आप solid waste dumping भी देख रहे हैं. This was the condition, which was actually a water body in the revenue records, but this is the condition of the water body in the pre-intervention stage. So we had to actually clear it off. So there was JCB used, all that was dug out, but it was not filled with fresh water. It was again filled with the same sewage water which was coming in. पूरे शहर का जो waste water है that was coming in, and after filling up, this was the condition of the water body. Then our process is that we study the water body, we make a medicine which is 100% botanical extract, herbal extract होता है, उसको हम location पे shift करते हैं. There it is amalgamated with fresh water from the same agroclimatic zone, and the medicine is poured into the water body early morning at the time of sunrise. So during the day when the sun is up, photons are available, and this medicine is synthesized by the aqua ecology, and the resurrection process starts. So हम लोग जो फोकस कर रहे हैं वो नेटिव इकोलॉजी के रिसर्वेशन पे कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि जो वेस्ट वाटर आ रहा है that is the biggest liability for the water body. That comes with a lot of nutrient overload. So the same nutrients can be rearranged by nature for production of planktons. अब planktons का production बढ़ेगा तो fish का population बढ़ेगा, because that is the natural feed of the fishes. Fish का population बढ़ेगा तो birds का population बाहर बढ़ेगा. Birds का population बाहर बढ़ेगा तो greenery on the surface will increase. So that is how the chain reaction happens. क्या इसमें ऐड हो रहा है? इसमें सर ये fresh water mixed with the medicine that we have made. Medicine is herbal extract. ये अलग-अलग पेड़ पौधे अलग-अलग medicinal plants से. What is something more about it? How what is happening in this world? ये पानी में हो क्या रहा है? सर पानी में होता बेसिकली ये है कि जो वेस्ट वाटर है that will have, as I said, a lot of nutrient overload, which can be in the form of nitrates, phosphates, sulfates, all that. जब हम ये जो मेडिसिन है वो वाटर बॉडी में डालते हैं तो जो जो प्री ट्रीटमेंट कंडीशन है उसके अंदर आपका जो डीओ लेवल है वो 0 है, बीओडी सीओडी इज वेरी हाई, टीएसएस एंड टीडीएस इज वेरी हाई. तो उसकी वजह से जो वाटर विस्कोसिटी है दैट इज वेरी हाई. अब ये जो विस्कोसिटी है दिस इज हाई बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉलिड्स इन वाटर. Now अगर आप वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल को समझेंगे तो इट इज अ हेक्सागोनल स्ट्रक्चर which is negatively charged on the top and positively charged in the bottom. तो bipolar molecule होता है. Now when we talk of a fresh natural water body, तो उसमें जो हेक्सागोनल स्ट्रक्चर को 3D में लेते ही बीच में जो वर्ल्ड आता है उसके अंदर डिसॉल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन ट्रैप होती है. जब वो कंटामिनेट होता है तो वहां पे सॉलिड आ जाता है, सस्पेंडेड और डिसॉल्व सॉलिड. तो सस्पेंडेड और डिसॉल्व सॉलिड को ट्रैप करने का मतलब ये है कि बाय डिफॉल्ट हमने डीओ लेवल घटा दिया, which is the essential supply for all the aquatic life to survive. अब हम जो पानी जो रेगुलर इसके अंदर ऐड कर रहे हैं, that will come with a high TDS and TDSS value. The molecules which are there could be sulfate or phosphate or nitrate or nitrate. अभी ये phosphate और sulfate जब पानी में बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, जैसा आपने इनिशियली देखा कि जब डोजिंग हो रही थी तो there was a lot of froth being generated. That was an indicator of heavy phosphates. Now, once the sun is up, this medicine is synthesized and the phosphate molecule gets broken because of the electron exchange which is happening. Now, oxygen level will start going up because phosphate is PO3 or PO4. When the oxygen level goes up, the native aquatic life will get enough oxygen to breathe. And जो आपका native microbiota है, that gets a CPR like shock because of the charge being carried by a single electron. So every electron has got 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb of charge, which we as a complex organism cannot experience. But for a single celled organism, it is too heavy a charge. It gets a CPR like shock, comes back to life. Once it is back to life, it has got two requirements. One is air to breathe, so DO level is already up. And second is something to eat, so the single atom of phosphorus is consumed by them. And they propagate as cell division multiplication. So one cell has eaten something, it will divide into 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. So that is how their population will go up. And they'll start performing their metabolic activity, due to which the suspended and the dissolved solids will be completely consumed by their metabolic activity. Then comes the first phase of treatment is called resurfacing.